friends, here is how we pack in building documents and accessories. All the standard documents live in the document bag inside the control panel. Inside, you will find documentation list, genset drawing, and test report. Electrical schematic are also included. Here we also have engine certificate of commodity, alternator certificate of commodity, alternator test report, engine operation maintenance manual, and alternator operation maintenance manual. Keys are stored with the documents. Controller keys, panel keys, and enclosure door keys. MA bolt and spring washer are also included in this bag. You can find tools kits and spare functions inside the control panel. Everything is well labeled and placed for easy access during service and operation.